We completed the square.
While not changing the shape of the circle,
We're going to review it.
not changing the shape, we're just moving its location.
Okay, so I'm going to try and take things slow. Y'all let me know if you have questions as we go. Don't wait till the very, very end. Hoping that it's just going to make sense. Because if it won't, let me know when you have a question. Okay, so let's take a number 7. Because again, we're not changing the size of the circle. We're just changing its location. So I think the easiest thing to do here our x values together is to identify x squared original center. I'm going to move the negative 24x. What is the center of that circle? Leave myself a space. What is the original space with completing the square? What's the x? Then I'm going to list my y terms. Positive 10. What's the y coordinate? 4y. Negative 13. Okay, remember we changed the sign when that 144 to the other side. So the original center is positive 10, negative 13. I had to subtract it. If we take that center and we move it 5 units right, okay, if we move it 5 units right, what is our new center? We have never had the equation of circle equal a negative number. Okay, so somehow 15, we've got to turn that negative 144 into a positive number. And then we also move it 5 units squared can't be negative. So where are we going to end up with? Can't square a number and get a negative 18. All right, so let's complete the square. So right and left changes our x coordinate. Let's look at the x values first. We take this number. I'm going to take that negative 24. I'm going to write my new equation. Anybody remember what we do with it? Minus 15 squared divided by 2 y plus negative 12. Remember, you have to change and the signs. Square it. So we get equals 12 squared is 144. That part so we add that right there. Not changing the shape or the size. And we have added something to our equation, so to keep it balanced, we've got to add it to the other side as well. Just for practice, what is our radius to the left side? I have to turn around and add it to the right side so that it's balanced. Okay, the radius is 4. Let's do it again with the that's what I want you to do with 1 through 4. I want you to identify the original center. Negative 2. I want you to square that. Write your equation. 4. And then add that right there. Yes, sir. And we add it to the other side. Yes. The size of the circle is not changing. You're just shifting it around. So the radius squared does not change. We have now turned this right here into a perfect square trinomial. Every single time it's going to factor into x plus or minus whatever that number was that we squared. So we squared negative 12, so it's x minus 12 squared. Every time. That's how it turns out. Plus, same thing for the y's. We squared negative 2, so it's y minus 2 squared. Negative 144 plus 144 is 0, plus 4 is 4. So the center of this circle is 12, 2. Our radius is 2. Okay, the equation of our circle is equal to r squared, so the radius is 2. 4 would be the diameter, yes. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 16, because I know that was a lengthy process. See if we've got it. Okay, take it step by step. Put the x terms together. X squared plus 20x. Leave a space. Plus y squared plus 22y. That 196 has got to go to the other side. So it's equal to negative 196. All right, so completing the square, we take the term that's with the x. We divide it by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. We square it, we get 100. So we add 100 here. We add 100 to the other side. Do the same thing with the y's. Divide 22 by 2. we get 11. Square it, we get 121. We add it to both sides. Okay, so now we can factor. It's always the number that we squared. X plus 10 squared plus y plus 11 squared is equal to, let's see here, that's negative 96 plus 121, so 25 equals 25. Okay, negative 196 plus 100 plus 121, 25. Okay, so our center, change the signs. Negative 10, negative 11. What's our radius? 5. Okay, so that's what you need to do with these problems. You need to write the equation. You need to find the center and find the radius. Yes, sir.
Oh, like when you equal 196 plus 100 plus 121, do we just leave it there? Do we not mess with it? Or is that where we get 25?
That's where the 25 comes from. I simplified it, yeah. Okay, any other questions before y'all try and do these?